do it ourselves. So profreehost.com is what we are going to be using. Now this is what we have. Can we see? Professional hosting, free hosting, pro free host. Now we have free web hosting, then domain name also. Now to register, you just click on this place. Now let me go to client area just because I have registered before. Then one thing about this particular service or particular website is that they show advert a lot, so you are just going to skip a lot of things. Now I have already registered and tested 2 domain name. Can you see? But let me log out. Let me come to settings. Now can you see this place? I'll log out. Let me show you. So this is where I'm going to log out. This log out. So I'll just click on that log out. Then it will log me out of my account. Then since it has logged me out, I'm not going to log in, but I'll create a new account. So just click on this place. Just click on this one here. Just click on it. When you click on it, so that now it will ask you to register. Just pick okay, I've used this email. Let me use another email address that I've not used before. Then put in your password that you want to use. Then just click on this. Now the account has been registered and tell you that go to your email to activate your account. Now all you need to do is go back to your email, your Gmail, then you activate your account. So this is my thing, but probably I'm not going to see it here, so I'll just go to my spam. It will be available in my spam. Okay, I think I've seen it up here. Important. This is it. Profile host activation. So I'll just click on it, then activate my account. So once I've activated my account, I can now create a domain. Your account has been activated successfully. So all I need to do is just go down. Can you see? All I need to do is, since my account has been activated, I'll just click on this place where you see create new account. Click on create new account. Then can you see, just pick a name you want to use. Let me say testing domain. Let me just use testing domain. Let me put this small letter. Now I want to use testing domain. Now one thing about this free version is that you are not going to get access to .com or .anything. Now this is the 3 available extension that we have: liveblog365.com, unaux.com, easyroad.com. Now just choose anyone. Let me choose the second one and see. Now it is available. I'll just click on this to buy it or to get it. So let's wait for it to load. We can see that it's showing a lot of ads, so that's not actually a problem. So wait for it to load. Then after it has so after I've created the account, now can you see it has been activated? All you need to do is just click on this manage. Now click on manage. Then let me click on manage. When you click on manage, it will now direct you to where you are going to. Then click on control panel. So once you click on control panel, it will redirect you to the control panel. Now this same control panel is what you will get when you buy a domain, a paid domain and hosting. Once you buy it, they are going to send you your cPanel details. You understand? So it's still the same cPanel. Now this place, because it's a free stuff, it's going to bring to you that it's not actually saved. Will you continue? Now you say send anyway. Now since you said send anyway, it will direct you now to the cPanel where you are going to install the application or software we are going to be using to design our website. Now for both this free and the paid version of your hosting, you are still going to download or install the same software. So but all I just show us is how to get free domain and free hosting. So I'm going to install that software, then show us how it works. I'll just test it for us and we see that the domain is working. So it will direct us to this page and you click on I approved. So once you approve it, then the panel will load now. So the cPanel will load after you have approved it. So just follow all the steps one by one as I'm doing it. Just follow it. Now this is our cPanel. Now basically, if you buy a hosting, if you purchase a hosting, you pay for it. Now this all what you are going to have, but it will be more advanced. This is just a free. I just want to show us how we can buy a free domain and free hosting. Now then let me just go down here and I'm going to install an application that we use to build our websites from scratch. But I'm not building anything from scratch in this video. The purpose of this video is just to show us that we can get a domain and hosting for free. Now so the reason I'm installing this application is because this software is because I want to show you that the domain is actually working. So then I'll click on this. Then I'll install, and just go put in the password and just put in this. Okay, then I'll install it. So everything has been installed, and I will click on this my domain. This is my domain that I bought earlier on. So once I click on it, can you see? Okay, let me go back. This is not what it's supposed to show. So let me just click on this place. Let me copy it and paste it. Let me secure it. So you can just go back to your installer, then click it from here. So if it's still showing the same thing, maybe because that domain is having a problem, the free domain they give you, you can just go back to your account, create another account, that is create another domain, use another extension. You might not use this UNAUX, or you try again and it will load. But as we continue the class, I'm going to show you how you are going to install WordPress in your cPanel and make it work fine. Now the second website we can also use to get free domain and hosting is called Infinity Free. Yeah, Infinity Free. So let me just type it. This is Infinity Free. So you can also go here, follow the same procedure like what I have done, register an account. After I've registered, then you see I've already registered to this my account. I created an account. Then after you have done that, just click on create account like the way you did for the previous website. Then to ask you for the domain you want to use. Let's say you want to use free training. Then it also has its own extension. Just pick one out of this extension. Let's use rf.gg. It's going to search it also if it is available. Now this domain is available. Then you enter the necessary thing, the username. It will be generated automatically. Put in the password, check that you are not a robot, then create the account. Once you have created the account, follow the same procedure. Go to the cPanel and install what you need to install. So as the class as we move forward in the class, I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress and how to navigate through your cPanel, either the free or the paid one. So thank you. If you have any question, you can contact me or message me.